Hello, and welcome to another episode of My Antics, where we explain how to take care of your colonies from a test tube all the way to an formicarium. Today we're going to be talking about feeding your queens before she has any workers. Even without offerings, your queen has a liquid protein storage inside of her that she feeds her larva and pupa with. By herself, she would do okay, and she would be able to fast until her first workers are born. Normally though, we try to help this process a little bit by offering her different sources of protein that she can in turn give to her eggs. For this video, I'm going to be offering her a cricket leg. Freshly killed cricket legs are a great source of protein and easy to obtain from any pet store really. Taking the legs off a cricket is not that hard. Usually they just fall off or with a bit of a twist. From there, it's as easy as taking the cotton out of your test tube, taking a cricket leg, and to help her a little bit, make sure you crack it so it's easier for her to get to the protein. After that, you want to put it in the middle of the test tube, not right on top of her, but so she can find it if she is hungry. Giving offerings like this cricket leg to your queen not only makes sure that she has energy, but her brood has more food. Therefore, they will grow faster into workers. As you can see, the queen went right up to the cricket leg and is very interested in the protein that it has to offer. She knows that she was just given a food source. Giving your queen a protein snack is a great way to give them a head start to becoming a full-grown colony. Remember though, you should only check on your queen once or at the max twice a week. Other than that, they should be kept in a dark, warm, quiet location so they don't get stressed out. Keeping your queen in the light too long or moving her around can cause her to become stressed out, and worst case scenario, she will eat her brood, which is any ant keeper's worst nightmare. Whether it's a cricket leg, roach leg, or super or mealworm piece, remember not to keep it in their test tube more than 2 to 3 days to prevent rotting. This concludes another My Antics video. I hope y'all enjoyed and have a wonderful night.